Just having one last garden walkabout before I leave for Ireland. I did as much as I could in the garden to get it ready for me being gone. I'll have somebody water once a week, and my wonderful aunt's gonna come and water the Japanese maple a couple more extra times. So it'll get hit 3 times a week with water. And it's looking good. Just want to remember this because it doesn't always look so great when I get back. Not that it doesn't get watered at, because I do have somebody coming to water. But, you know, things happen. Deer happen, gophers happen, and the annuals will die off. So yeah, just wanted to take one last look at my garden and enjoy the little poppies that are popping up everywhere, and the salvia that's just so beautiful, cornflowers, and the beautiful, beautiful wisteria along the fence. So pretty. Aren't those gorgeous? Love that. I did trim the big lavender quite a bit this week. So hopefully that will resurge with more blooms and be looking good. And look at these poppies. Aren't they pretty? Poppies everywhere. So the nice thing about poppies like these is they do reseed, so you'll get more the next year, which is awesome. And my sweet peas, well, I kind of failed at that. They didn't fare too well. I think because this pot doesn't have very good drainage, but oh well, stuff happens. You move on. It's nice to see some new salvias in there. Those reseeded. The blue daisies are looking good. And the flax, you know, one of my favorites. And the hollyhocks, well, this is probably going to bloom while I'm gone, so I'll probably miss it. So maybe my aunt will take a picture of it for me. Joanne, take a picture of that if it blooms. And this is starting to bloom again. The ferns are looking pretty good. Hellebor's hanging in there. And the middle garden doing good. Let's take a look at the rock garden. I'm going to have to tear those out and divide the daffodil bulbs when I get back. But I will leave them there just like that as markers to where the bulbs are, so I know where to dig. And then I can plant some, separate them, and plant some down the hill. Big Mama's still blooming. She's been blooming quite a while now. And the pretty salvias. Rock garden. And oh, my alyssum. It just looks so pretty. You know I love my alyssum. And I've got some nasturtium poking out there. See the orange? So nice. Love it. So not too bad. I didn't have a lot of time to spend in the garden this week, but I did get out here a little bit. Did a little bit more mulching, so it had some additional mulching and mulch in places. And hopefully the snails don't get to these calla lilies. Well, that's it. One last look at the garden before I go. And I will see you guys next time in a video from Ireland.